connecting an external device. Once the device is connected, it will alert you that something is connected. Now, if you give our software a few minutes, it will access settings for that device. When you see this on the screen, you can access, it'll take you directly to the device connector. You can select what type of device it is. In this case, it's a home theater or sound bar, but this is connected hardwired. At this point, they want to make sure that the device is connected. Now, if you click Next, it will go into our menu and make configuration changes based on how you have the device connected. Select Yes, and our software will automatically change settings in the customer's menu. In this case, it turns what we call SimpLink on, which will allow you to control the device or make settings changes to the device. Now you have control settings that it will ask you to set up. SimpLink is a LG terminology for our software that allows you to control that other device through our television's software. Auto Power Sync will synchronize when you turn the TV on. Do you want the device to automatically turn on? If you follow our prompts and our settings, then this will allow you to configure setting up the device. In this case, it's an LG. Once you select the brand, select Next. Now, if I click Power on the screen, it should power on the device or off. If it's on, it will turn it off. Does this work correctly? Yes or no? Does mute operate correctly? Yes or no? Now we're through setting up the device, and we can use the remote control to control that device. If it's a DVD player or a set-top box, now you'll be able to change channels, change some other basic settings, but complex settings such as customized menus, formats, you will still have to use the original remote. But basic configuration changes you can use the LG remote for.